If you are trying to get a course CE certified for continuing education in the state of Colorado that you want to have CE certified to teach to real estate agents, then this video is for you because I'm going to cover what you need to know, what courses can get approved, how to submit the application, and then really how to really hone in to teach the right courses that can get CE certified. So my name is Jared Larkin. I'm with Chicago Title. I've got one course that is currently approved for CE, and then I've got a few courses that have been denied. I actually just recently got off the phone with the individual in charge at DORA, who's in charge of approving and denying these courses. So I have some information for you because I personally struggle to figure out what exactly works and what doesn't work. So I'm going to share with you right now. So first things first, if you want to get a course CE approved, you can just Google search this. Just Google search DORA Continuing Education Approval Real Estate. You'll find this link, or I'll share it with you down below. But you want to go to this link right here. This is Colorado Department of Regulatory Agencies, DORA, and it gives you the information on what you need to do to get approved and how to do it. But basically, first things first, you got to make sure you qualify within one of these course topics right here. So they're all listed right here. I'm not going to list them off, but make sure your course qualifies in here. One thing to note though is sometimes there might be a course here. For example, the one that I teach a lot of on is I teach a lot of real estate marketing principles. But this is actually a hard course to qualify for because as you can see here, I actually got a response back from DORA and I got denied for a course that I was teaching on how to help real estate agents optimize their Google business profile. But the struggle here with courses like this is, and I quote, what did it say? The course relates to self-improvement and promotion, both of which are ineligible topics for the commission. So I quickly learned that a lot of marketing courses, although that is a category, marketing courses do not qualify. And after I spoke to the individual in charge at DORA, she informed me that it's more specific courses on how you market your business and the do's and don'ts of what you can do when it comes to actual marketing principles to your real estate business. So it isn't necessarily helping agents with their business, whether that would be courses I teach on, such as video, Facebook ads, Google, all that stuff, social media. Those, she informed me, are very difficult, if not impossible, to get improved. So if you're watching this and that's what you're trying to do, good luck. Haven't gone past that. For everything else, let me share with you what you need to know. So 3 things. You're going to submit 3 things when you go ahead and submit your course. And down here, you can actually, right under here, there's a link. You can click it. But the first thing you want to click on is right here. You want to fill out this 1-pager application, right? It's very simple. Name, information, what are you teaching, why are you qualified, what do you want, right? So that's step 1. Step 2 is to provide a resume, some sort of resume document explaining who you are, what's your background, why you qualified to teach this. Fast way to do this, if you don't have a recent updated resume, but maybe you got an updated LinkedIn, I actually just went ahead and I actually just downloaded my LinkedIn as a resume. You can do that on here and just download your LinkedIn into a resume. And that's an option. So that could quickly take care of this for you right here. Now you got your resume done, you got your application done. The last thing you need to do is you need to download an additional document in here. And what it is, it's an actually sample of a detailed time outline of the learning objectives. So you can click on it down here. But what it looks like, I'll share with you the one that I submitted. Here's the LinkedIn resume, but the application and then the outline itself looks like this. And all you're going to do is you're going to fill in all this information, course title, some summary, what's it about, and then you're going to break down in increments, right? You're going to break down everything that needs to be talked about and how it's broken down, in minute intervals, right? And you could do 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but obviously make sure all of this time adds up to the appropriate time involved. And make sure it adds up to the number of hours that you want continuing education credit for. And I would say be as detailed as possible within this. And of course, I think bonus points if you can tailor back to the topics and why it's beneficial to the agents so they can be more educated and also, of course, can help the homeowner, right? That's all important. Going deeper into this, it's not very obvious, so I'm going to share it with you right now. There's actually an entire instruction manual that I probably didn't read this beforehand, but here it is. And this is a Colorado real estate manual, and you can access this. I'll share you a link with you here, but it's a real estate manual. I'll share the live link. You can click on Chapter 2, Real Estate Broker Rules and Commissions. And fun fact, under section 4.4 to 4.7, you can actually get all of the details on what qualifies for standards for continuing education. So you actually see it right here. So course content, right? The course content must have been developed by you and nobody else. The course content must be current and relative. It must maintain and improve the broker's skill, knowledge, and competency in the real estate practice, and must be at least 1 hour, right, to fill that time frame at a minimum. Here they list all those topics again. So again, see what topic qualifies for you. When I spoke to the individual at DORA in charge of this, she said, again, like if they're a lender teaching a class on lending, we don't want the agents to necessarily, it's not necessarily teaching them how to become lenders, but to educate them with enough knowledge so that they can grasp that knowledge and then share that with their clients to, again, be more educated on that so they can, of course, safely guide their clients and help them and be more experts. So kind of a interesting little thing there, right? So here are your topics. Again, ineligible topics. You can see here I got hit on this one: sales or marketing meetings, anything having to do with personal growth, self-improvement, self-promotion, marketing sessions. Those do not qualify, which I learned, which is unfortunate. And the list goes on, right? So break this down, course format. It gives you all the information. If you want to read through this, by all means, go for it. I'll send you a link. But typically, once this is all done, you're going to go ahead and you're going to submit your 3 documents. You're going to send it to the email. The current email as of this recording is right here, Dora_real estate brokerage education at state.co.us. They're usually pretty darn responsive. My first course got approved within a couple of days. My next course got denied within about a week. So pretty quick. All right. But I hope that's helpful. If you have questions, thoughts on this, reach out to me, Jared Larkin, Chicago Title, milehighTitleGuy.com. Good luck to you. Good luck with getting your course approved. I hope that helps, and I hope you get your course approved, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.